Hello everyone, I hope that you are all doing well. In this video, we're going to be talking about the quizzes as well as some activities you have coming up. So due today, the 13th, you were supposed to complete the Chapter 1 quiz, and remember this was going to be individual. I did have a lot of you guys reaching out to me about issues you were having. So everyone has received an extension until Wednesday, September 16th at 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. So whatever issues you might be having, if you're having issues with your camera or with your audio, you can reach out to McGraw-Hill to see what you're able to, how they're able to help you. You can also try a different browser to see if it's something as simple as that. I cannot access your account, so I don't know how to help you specifically. That's why you have to reach out to McGraw-Hill. Okay, so when you're completing the quiz, make sure that you do. Let me get up here. Make sure you're just repeating the same information at the top, down here at the bottom. Okay, so you don't have to get with a partner or work with anyone else. You are just going to be completing the same or repeating the same information. And really, this is just an exercise in you learning how to use this particular tool since we're going to be using it for the future. So you will add a title. You'll pick your name from the list of presenters. Here, you will push record, and then it will take you to this screen where it should ask to use your, microphone and your webcam. Okay, I'm not going to be able to record, I think, yeah, because of the, but here, I'll try recording. So here I'm recording, I'm giving you the information, I'm saying everything. You'll push finish. It's going to process the video. Recording. So here I'm recording. Push post, and it's posted it. I'm just going to end up deleting it. But I wanted to show you guys the steps that you had to take in order to complete this assignment. This one, remember, is individual. You'll just be doing it on your own because you're getting practice for when we're going to be completing it with partners, okay? This exercise, I hope, will eliminate or help prevent any issues that you guys might have when you're working together with partners, okay? So that's the first activity, the first quiz. And really it's just, you get 100 if you complete it, and if you don't complete it, you get a 0. So make sure that you have it turned in by Wednesday, September 16th at 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time or San Antonio time. Okay, so the activities that we have for next week, please make sure you're completing the Learn Smarts. Okay, you're going through, these are heavily vocab activities, and you do have one grammar activity. And it is until the 27th, which is 2 weeks from now, that you have to complete quiz 2 with a partner. Okay, so you'll be completing this quiz, chapter 2 quiz, with someone else. You can find that information if you go to our Blackboard page. I have posted the list of partners for chapter 2 here. So this is where you will find out who you have been paired up with. And you have a few options, remember. So if you go to our site and you go under course materials, this section that says course materials, if you go under course documents, it gives you this little group here. It's called Partners for Quizzes. So you'll open it up. I don't know if it's going to show me the same since I am an instructor. I'm in instructor mode. Let me see if I can go into student mode. Student preview. Okay, so I'm going to go back down here to the course materials, the course documents. I'm going to click partner quizzes. Well, I'll make sure that you guys have access to that because you should be able to get in touch with your partner through this. Okay, so I was checking it out a little bit. If you do head back to the course materials and you go to course documents, and you do click here on Partners for Quizzes, it should take you to a page that looks like this, where you have all the names of the students in our class. And then what you will do is you will go under the Group Tools heading, Send Email, and then you will search for the name of your partner here. That way you're able to find them in the list. You'll click their name and you'll click this little caret over so that it's only sending the email to this person here that you selected, whoever your partner might be, and that way you guys can exchange contact information. Okay, so that's how you'll find your partner. Those are the activities that we have coming up. If you do have any questions, please reach out to me.